Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Dunster House TV. Today we are visiting husband and wife Steve and Janette's garden. They love nature, entertaining, and relaxing outdoors. Even with a small garden, they've managed to fulfill their Summerhouse garden bar dream with a sweet Carsare Log Cabin. Steve and Janette have longed for a garden bar and summerhouse that they can enjoy all year round. However, they have always been apprehensive about finding something that will work with the size and shape of their garden. They had a particular vision in mind where they wanted to get the best of both worlds, an area to sit outdoors and soak up the sun, but also a place to unwind in the garden, regardless of what the weather forecast is. After hours of browsing the internet, they finally found the perfect summer house to suit their garden, a 3.5 by 2.5 suite cabin that just fit perfectly without overtaking the space available. As it is only Steve and Janette, this was ideal for them both. Oh, and their cat Sophie, who is making the most of the cabin. Janette explained in a previous conversation that the cabin is an extension to their house, a place where they can unwind and chill out after a long, stressful day at work. Inside the Abbott Spoons, there is a bar area, a TV, a sound bar to play music, and a lovely seating area for 4. Even with a small cabin, there is plenty of space for Janette and Steve to invite over a couple of friends for the weekend to catch up for a drink or two. The Abbott Spoons is a tranquil garden retreat during the day, but with the cool lighting that has been installed, it later turns into a party cabin. Finally, in Janette's own words, she describes the cabin as their happy place and explains that it will be for many years to come, whether they are using it for chilling out on their own or entertaining friends and family. And that's it for another episode of Dunster House TV. Join us again next week as we go and explore another customer's garden. Hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss an episode.